In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable and disable long press up an app icon to see notifications on your Samsung Galaxy A14. So first, open Settings, and under Settings, scroll down and select Home Screen. Next, scroll down until you find the option App Icon Badges. So tap on that and then make sure it's enabled so that this option notifications on app icons becomes bold. So tap on that to enable it, and you should notice that when you go to your home screen and look for an app that has notifications like Google Play Store, I'll just tap on the notification icon and then I'll see what's installing. If you want to disable that, simply go back to Settings, then Home Screen, App Icon Badges, and you can either disable the notifications or you can disable App Icon Badges completely to turn it off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.